The Vive four-wheel mobility scooter is a safe and stable electric scooter that is lightweight and easy to assemble for travel. It has anti-flat tires that can navigate any surface indoors and outdoors, making it easy to maneuver over smooth indoor surfaces and rough outdoor surfaces with comfort and ease. The anti-slip wheels also help on ramps. The scooter has a speed knob that allows you to set your top speed, which can reach up to 6 km per hour. It also has a built-in horn that makes it easy for others to hear you coming, and high-intensity LED headlights that allow you to see where you're going. The scooter has a height-adjustable padded swivel seat with cushioned arm pads and a backrest, providing comfort during long rides. It also has a removable storage basket for your essentials. One of the best things about this scooter is that it can be easily disassembled. No piece weighs more than 13 kilograms, and it is TSA approved for travel. When disassembled, the scooter can easily fit in any trunk, making it convenient for people who need to travel with their scooters. Overall, the Vive four-wheel mobility scooter is a great choice for those who need a safe and reliable mobility scooter. With its anti-flat tires, anti-slip wheels, adjustable seat, and built-in horn and headlights, it provides a comfortable and convenient ride. Its easy assembly and disassembly make it perfect for travel, and its TSA approval ensures that you can take it with you wherever you go.